Alright, 2 viewers, here is the last fan for tonight. This is Dayton Lasko fan number 6. Still has the original plug. The number wheel in this one is missing. I took the cap off to look and see if it was in there. But the wheel is not present, so it kind of sucks. Also has this metal paper clip going to the thing instead of the string. So I guess at one point in time that whole mechanism probably broke. But still goes through its speeds. This one has the worst bearings of the bunch. Let's go ahead and start off on low. You can tell how bad the bearings are just by seeing how slow it is. You can see all the black gunk I got out of the bearing. Very low on this fan. Go ahead and go to medium. It's right here in that bearing. Go ahead and go to high. Bearing in there. Sounds lovely, doesn't it? Fan does run as it should. Bearing definitely needs some more TLC. That should be pretty fast on this one. Like I said, the bearing is fairly rough. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna take these fans down and call it a night. I'm up later than I wanted to be, but I want to get all these out of the way. That way people can start picking their fans. As a reminder, this is fan number 6. Dayton Lasko number 6. There we go. Thanks for watching.